There were a whole bunch of family doctors that quit when the American Academy of Family Practice took $3 million from Coca-Cola,
Wow.
right? So they're funding all these groups. They're also funding fake front groups like the American Council on Science and Health, which did a hit piece on Callie and Casey Means.
Oh, they did?
They've done many hit pieces on me. And it sounds great, American Council on Science and Health, but who funds them? It's pharma, it's the pesticide makers, it's Monsanto, or now it's Bayer.
Did they do a hit piece on Callie and Casey?
Yeah.
I knew it was coming.
And I mean, I take it as a badge of honor to get these pieces written about me, because it means I'm touching a nerve that they don't want. And they're the organization that says that pesticides are safe, that trans fats are good, that smoking tobacco doesn't cause cancer. I mean, I'm not joking here.
Yeah.
And the guys who are the doctors and people affiliated with, it's all funded by these big corporations. And many of these guys are corrupt. Some of these guys have been in jail. And they came out after Dr. Oz and once in the New York Times and said they wrote a letter to Columbia saying he should be taken off the Columbia faculty because of his crazy views. And it was all this group. And there's many, many of these front groups. Like Crop Life, which sounds great, but it's basically industrial agriculture front group.
Yeah.
And so they fund research, they fund our academic institutions, they fund our professional associations, they fund front groups that are confusing people with misinformation and propaganda. And then they also fund social groups like the NAACP and the Hispanic Federation.